Welcome. In this session, we'll learn how we compute this convolution between two sequences. Let's suppose convolution between two sequences x of n and h of n, and we write it like this in terms of some formula. Our goal here is to learn how do we compute it using array method. This is also sometimes referred as tabular method. This is sometimes referred as tabular method. Now to illustrate this method, what we do, we take simple examples of this x of n. Let's suppose x of n is 1, 2, 1, and h of n is 1, 2, minus 1, and 2. And let's suppose the n equal to 0 point is this here, n equal to 0 point is this here. All right, so how do we do the compute this convolution using this array method? What we do, we write these as an array. So suppose this is our h array. So this is 1, 2, minus 1, and 2. So on this side, we write the x array. So this is 1, 2, and 1. So then we denote these. So this is our n equal to 0. Now what we do in this, we take the product of these. So how do we take the product? We first multiply this array with this one. So this is 1, 2, minus 1, and 2. Then we multiply this array with 2. So it will be 2 1s are 2, 4, minus 2, and 4. Then we multiply this array by 1. So this is 1, 2, minus 1, and 2. So then what we do, we take the elements like this diagonal element. So we say this is this, and combine the elements on the diagonal elements, and we write it like this. So if this is x and this is y, sorry, this is h, not y, this is our h, then our y will be simply this. So first element will be 1, second element will be this plus this, so 2 plus 2 is 4, and third element will be again 1 plus 4 plus minus 1 is 4, then this will be next element will be 2 minus 2 plus 2, that's 2, this will be 3 and 2. So this is our output sequence, that is y of n. So y of n is 1, 4, 4, 2, 3, 2. So this is the convolution. Now, why is the n equal to 0 point? That's very, very important. Now, remember, n equal to 0 point is that where the product of this star and this star happens. You can see this star and this star are multiplied in this diagonal, So you can say this is the, when you take the addition of these, the diagonal element, that will be your n equal to 0 point, and that's this one. So this is n equal to 0 point. So this is how we compute the convolution sum formula using the array method. This is also referred as a tabular method. What we do, we write these arrays like this, arrange them on this array form, one on the horizontal axis, another on the vertical axis. Then we take the multiplication of elements of one array with the elements of the second array. This is another array, this is another array. So then we multiply the elements one by one and take the product, and after that what we do, we take the sum of the elements on these diagonal elements like this, and arrange the elements like this. And to find where is the n equal to 0 point, you see where is this star and this star product taking place on which diagonal. That diagonal element will give you the n equal to 0 point. All right, so this is how we compute this convolution sum using array method. In the next method, we will learn how do we compute using the linear method of this.